Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to remove accounts from Instagram favorites lists on Android. If you're someone who uses Instagram's favorites feature frequently, then you might want to remove some accounts from your favorites list. In this video, we'll show you how to do that in a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner to access your profile options menu. From there, you can search for the people you want to remove from your favorites list. It's important to note that only you can see your favorites list, so removing accounts won't affect what other people see on their accounts. To remove an account from your favorites list, simply search for the account using the search bar. Once you find the account, tap on it to view their profile. Next, tap on the following button to the right of their profile picture. This will bring up a menu of options. Select Remove from Favorites from the menu. This will remove the account from your favorites list. Repeat this process for any other accounts you want to remove from your favorites list. Removing accounts from your favorites list can help you keep it up to date and relevant. It can also help you manage your following list more efficiently. In summary, removing accounts from an Instagram favorites list on Android is a quick and easy process. By following the simple steps outlined in this tutorial, you can easily remove accounts from your favorites list and keep it up to date. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you.